my car doesn't have Bluetooth, so I do have an aux port, thankfully, and I looked up a Bluetooth to aux transmitter or adapter. I found this one on Amazon. It's called MaedHawk. Comes in a little box like this. It's definitely some sort of Chinese product, but it works well, and I really like it, so I want to make a quick video. Basically, I have my aux port in my car in my glove box, so it was really inconvenient to have a cable running all the way through there and then shutting the cable on the glove box. So now all I do is I turn this on, and it has a little battery in it, and it plays my music. So you can see there's a blue light flashing in there. Hopefully you can see the blue light now. And when I plug it in to aux, it starts playing my music. So it is super easy. You just hold down on the actual adapter for a couple seconds and go to your Bluetooth settings and add it. You can see that it's showing MaedHawk right there, MaedHawk BTR 005. And there's no lag at all. So I can play whatever I want. The volumes are good. The bass comes through decently. And so I like it. I'm really happy with it. Now the thing is that it is in the glove box, so you can't really change songs with any buttons. That's the one thing that I actually like more about this radio FM transmitter, because this one that I have here, I actually can plug into my charging port right there, the little outlet, and then I can spin this to change songs, so that's kind of nice. But the MaedHawk's really nice because it doesn't have to be plugged into power. And then on the back side of it, sorry about that. On the back side of it, you have a little USB port right there, and you basically just plug in the USB charger. It takes about 2-3 hours to charge, and it lasts like an entire week for me. So I'd say that's maybe 10 to 15 hours of driving. And it'll beep before it dies, like an hour before. So it'll give you a little warning that you need to charge it. You just take it out, you can charge it. Or if you have a USB port in your car, like I do right here, you can even charge it while you drive. So I just plug in the USB cable there, I charge it, and it's good to go. So if you don't have Bluetooth in your car, but you do have aux, and you want to be able to connect wirelessly, get yourself this little MaedHawk adapter. It is the MaedHawk BTR 005. For less than $15. It's great.